Michelle Reed. If you guys are new to my channel, you should definitely subscribe if you are, because I post all the time. I post work videos, lifestyle videos, all kinds of videos, so you should definitely stick around. Also, a side note, I just got my hair cut. I cut off like 3 to 4 inches, and I think it looks so much better. It's so like light and so great. Today's video is a weekend in my life video, specifically a weekend in my life of getting my life together. I love these vlogs. These are actually my favorite vlogs to do because they really motivate me whenever I watch them. And I know a lot of people might be like, oh my gosh, that term is overused, but it's just one of those things that on the weekends with working full time, for me, I love just like getting all my ducks in a row on Saturday and Sunday. Just a really good feeling. It's actually 3 o'clock right now, but I have already went and got a haircut this morning. I did a lot of YouTube work morning as well. I still have to clean. I need to go get groceries. I need to do more YouTube work. I'm gonna work out tomorrow, probably not today. I'm gonna cook a nice dinner tonight for me and my boyfriend Aiden. It's just like a really good restful weekend, and I really want to do this. I would like to thank today's sponsor, Empower, because I've actually been using them and they've been saving my life. They've been saving my wallet, and I wanted to put it in this video because I feel like I'm doing all these adult things. I'm stocking up on things, spending money on like haircuts, spending money on buying things for my house, just a lot of random stuff. I've learned this year specifically that it is so expensive to be an adult, and there are so many just like random purchases that come with having to grow up, paying your utilities, paying your water bill, all these things that are not fun. But I love companies like Empower because they help make it as fun as possible, because you actually get some money back. Empower is an app that you can actually get on your phone, and it is a high interest checking account. Basically, if you guys have a normal bank that you put your money into, your normal checkings account, you're totally getting ripped off because they basically do not offer any interest on your account. And I think this stuff is so interesting. I'm always talking about finances and ways to invest and save money. And so I think that this is so perfect because Empower actually has a 1.9% APY, which is 31 times higher than the national average. And you also get the cutest peach debit card. It's seriously the cutest debit card I've ever seen. There are no fees, and there are also no minimum amounts that you have to put into the account. And my favorite thing about the Empower app is, you guys know I've been talking a lot about wanting to track my expenses, and I currently do it in Excel. I've really been wanting to find a trustworthy app to kind of track my expenses, and I love Empower because it's such a cute app, and they put all of your stuff into these cute little categories like how much you spend on food, transportation, miscellaneous things, and you can actually see a breakdown of how much you're spending. It also gives you little reminders like, oh my gosh, your water bill is 10% higher than it was last month. And I know a lot of us have financial questions, and sometimes it can be hard to actually get them answered, but they actually have an expert in the app that you can just type any question you have. If you guys want to open an account on Empower, the first $50 that you put in your account, you'll actually get $10 cash back. I'll have my link down below. It's actually my personal referral link. Everyone gets one whenever they open one. And I just love stuff like this because, being totally transparent about money right now, I just spent like $250 on my hair, and it's really nice to know that some of that will be cash back. So I love my dress that I'm wearing right now. This is actually a dress that I got. I love this dress so much. It's so cute. I'll put the name of the brand right here. I totally am blanking on what the name of it is called, but it'll be right here. But that's where I got it. But I'm gonna go change because I want to be in something comfy when I go get groceries and when I'm about to like actually go clean right now. So just changed, and I put on my leggings, and I found this laundry detergent on my leggings. This is the reality of living in like a pre-war building. I'm so thankful to have like an in-unit washer and dryer, but I either feel like my stuff does not actually get clean, or that happens, and it's so frustrating. And so probably gonna scrub this off. Another fun fact, this morning, keeping it real, I shaved my face with one of those like little disposable razor things that are made for your face. I'll link them on Amazon, but I like it because it makes my makeup go on a lot smoother. It just works really well. But I was doing it while I was tired, and it was early in the morning, and y'all, I shaved off like half my eyebrow. I don't know if you can tell because I filled it in, but this little spot right here, I'll insert a picture, like is off. It is completely off. And so that's gonna be so fun to have to fill in for the next probably 6 months or however long it takes. Just in case you think that I'm this perfect adult who doesn't do stupid things. There you go. Very stupid. While I was cleaning, I was watching JC Marie's video. I love JC's vlogs. The way that Leif edits them is so funny. They're always like so funny to watch. So go check her out. If you guys don't know, you probably do because she's huge, but they're really great. I'm trying to be one of those girls that wears biker shorts, and I can say that it did not work. Why do these look so weird? I'm still gonna wear them because they're comfortable, but I just feel like I can't do it. Like my legs are too like muscle bulging. If I had like stick thin legs, I feel like this would look good, but yeah, whatever. We're still gonna do it. Here is my Trader Joe's haul. This is all the stuff I got. I got different stuff this time than usual. So we've got some berries, both blueberries and raspberry, Greek yogurt, celery. I'd like to note that I forgot my reusable bags, so I used these, and I'm really sorry. Please don't hate me. We got some diced, no salt added tomatoes for pasta I'm making tonight, garlic for the pasta, green onions for the pasta. This is my favorite chicken. It's the balsamic vinegar and rosemary chicken. So great for work, just to pack. Organic hummus, some herb salad mix. I've never tried this one, but this one's like a kale, Brussels sprouts, a lot of different like crunchy greens. I'm really into crunchy stuff right now, so I got those. Just some eggs, some pasta for the pasta I'm making, chicken broth for the pasta, pita chips, bananas. These are chili lime chicken burgers. I haven't gotten these in a while, but they're really good. Some diced onions because I hate cutting onions. Some sweet Italian pork sausage for the pasta. More pasta for the pasta. Tomatoes, heavy whipping cream for the pasta. Green chilies for the pasta. I got one of these lemon chicken and arugula salads. I got this for work, just a pack. Shredded cheese, frozen brown rice, broccoli, and then some turkey breast. And that is my haul. The pasta is cooking right now. It doesn't really look like the kind my mom makes, so I'm hoping it ends up looking better. We got a big salad too. Did those greens and some tomatoes and like a little bit of Italian dressing. I think that it's gonna be a very yummy little dinner. It's like 10:30 right now, and I've just been editing on the couch while watching the show Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. I started watching the show and I really like it. I think it's really good. I also have all my pimple cream on. I have my half eyebrow chilling with me. It's a look, guys. It's a look. I'm gonna try to head to sleep soon just because I do wake up pretty early for church in the morning on Sunday. The church service starts at 9:30, so definitely want to make sure that I go to bed and get plenty of sleep. A little Sunday morning mask action. I'm about to get ready for church right now. I need to go shower. I am currently headed to the gym. Got back from church and now I'm just gonna go get a nice run in. It's really hot outside today though, so I'm feeling super duper hot. It's like 90 degrees, but it's like 3:30 right now. My room is so cozy right now, but on the way home from the workout, oh my goodness, it is storming like so badly. And I feel like in New York City, it really doesn't storm that much. So this is crazy, guys. Look at that. I feel like my power is gonna go out. In other news, on the way home from church today, I went and I finally got a shoe organizer, which is so nice because before these shoes were just like all over the place on the floor of my closet because this closet has really weird organization. Like it has all these shelves back here, but they're just hidden so you can't really see. So I just went ahead and got this little organizer, but it's literally perfect. Holds all my shoes. So this right now is my ideal Sunday night. I am laying in bed with lots of pimple cream on because my face has been breaking out a lot lately. But on Sunday nights, I love getting all of my videos done for the week. It's really hard to do YouTube work during the week while I'm doing like my work because sometimes I do have to bring that work home, and so it's kind of a lot if I have to do this during the week. And I find that I really like YouTube a lot more when it's more of my hobby, and so I like to do it on my downtime. I think it's just like really fun, and it's storming right outside my window. I'm just like so grateful to live in this apartment. It's just been such a blessing. Thinking about how stressed I was to find a place, I could not be more happy with like my cozy apartment. It's so quiet, it's so just comfortable, and I love it so much. But had a really good Sunday. Service was really good at church today. He talked a lot about dating, so it was nice getting like applicable practical knowledge at church. I'm probably gonna make dinner and just meal prep in a little bit, but I'm also going home this weekend. I spontaneously decided to go home for one day because I didn't want to like take time off of work because it was so last minute. And so I'm also trying to get all my stuff done so I can just like have a nice solid Saturday in Texas. I just can't wait. I'm like really feeling very thankful right now, feeling very blessed to be where I'm at and just like grateful to live the life I live. I also think that's because I worked out. Whenever I work out, I just find that I'm in such a better mood. I'm so thankful for everything. Those endorphins, baby. I just finished my dinner for the night. I just have some roasted broccoli, a little bit of rice, and then this balsamic chicken that's like pre-made from Trader Joe's. It's my favorite. But basically for meal prepping, all I do is I cook dinner and then I'll just make a second leftover and I'll bring them for lunch tomorrow. This is just like what keeps me sane, and I feel like it's the easiest way to meal prep rather than like making everything in bulk for the week. This is just like convenient. I feel like it's more fresh than like cooking for the whole week. So that's what I would recommend. I have migrated to the couch right now, but right now I'm just doing some work for my actual job. I just ate dinner. This is definitely not something that I need to do, but I just feel like I'm a lot less stressed on Monday whenever I get done like random little things that are in my head on a Sunday night. I don't really mind it. I just feel like it starts my week off fresh whenever like I come in blank slate into work. And so I'm just gonna catch up on a few things.